Now we are going on fixture. Fixture means in definite time frame the setup of matches, the place, time, playground, all the schedule, all the procedure is called fixture. Now first we learn about the fixture of knockout. In knockout tournament, in what way we draw a fixture. Step 1, number 1, we note the teams. After that we are going on any example to understand it better. Divide the total number of team in two half. The total number of team are more than 16, divide in also a quarter. Means there is the 11 team, then divide in two half. Check it. The total number of team are in the power of 2, means 2 to the 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. If the total number of team are not in power of 2, then y will be given to draw a proper fixture. Calculate the by, place them according to the formula. Set and arrangement the match. It should be remembered that the match can be arranged between the team in the same round. It should be remembered that if the total number of teams are more than 16, the by of our half will be placed separately, lower half will be separately. In case of seeding or special seeding, we calculate the by of the deducting total number seeding from the total number of teams. Total number of match is equal to the total number of team 1. Formula 2, to calculate total number of round, multiple 2 by 2 continuously. Formula number 3, total number of by is equal to the next power of total number of teams. Means there is the 11 teams is there, then the total number power of 2 is equal to the 16. Or if the total number of teams are even, teams in our half, total number of team by 2, divide into two parts. Then if the teams are even, then divide total number of team by 2, and lower half total number of team by 2. And if they are not even, then in upper half total number of team plus 1 y2, and in lower half total number of team minus 1 y2, as it is given here. In what? Total number of team plus 1 by 2, total number of team minus 1 by 2. Formula number 5, if total number by are even, y we are putting here, and then by in upper half total number of by 2. If even, then total number of by 2, and in lower half yani equal. And if the odd, then total number of y minus 1 by 2 and total number of y minus 1 by plus 1 by 2. And one more in the lower half and one less in the upper half. Okay, to understand better, we can take help of an example. One example is here, make the fixture of 13 team on the basis of knockout basis. Then total number of teams, the total number of team is 13. Total number of matches, total number of team minus 1, and 13 minus 1 is equal to 12 matches. Second, total number of round, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 6 to the 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16. The nearest number of teams is equal to 16. Then the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 round is here, and the number of by is come from the here 16 minus 13. I have also told you that the nearest number of power of 2, 16 minus 13 is equal to 3. Number of team in our half, total number of team plus 1 by 2 is equal to 17. Total number of team plus 1 by 2 is 16 because it is an odd number. So there is a 3 by, 1 by of the nature of by. 1 by is given, first by is given the lowest team of the lower half. Second Y is given for the first team of the upper half. Third Y is given for the top team of the lower half. Or if there is the 4Y, that will be given for the last team of the first half. Okay, then 3Y is given. So now that is the fixture. The first round and Y. What is Y? Here the question, what is Y? Y is an advantage given to a team in which the team directly play in the second round. In first round, they got exit on the first round and directly play into the second round. With more examples, draw the fixture of 24 teams on the basis of knockout tournament. Number 8, total number of teams 24. Total number of matches, total number of teams minus 1. 24 minus 1 is equal to 23. Round the nearest power of 2. Nearest power of 2 is equal to 32. 16 is less and 32 is greater. So greater number the power of 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 32. So the 5 round is here because digit 2 report 5 times. So 5 round is here. Total number of round 5 round. Total team in the upper half. Total number of team 24 by 2 is equal to 12. 24 by 2 is equal to 10. As the total number of team are more than 16, so we have to divide team also in quarter. Okay, quarter 4 into 24 divided by 24, 6 in each. 6, 6, 6, 6, 24. Now total number of Y, next power of 2, total number of team 32. 32 minus 24 is equal to 8. Y in upper half 8 by 2 and Y in lower half 8 by 2, 4, 4. Then first quarter, second quarter and third quarter and fourth quarter. They are the 4 quarter and Y is given as you can see here. Now in this picture, two important things, Y and seeding. What is Y? Y is an advantage given to a team in which we directly directly play into the next round. And seeding is also the advantage given to a team directly play in the next round, but there is a difference. Y is given on the basis of lot to arrange the fixture, and seeding is given on the basis of performance. Basically, seeding is given to the team who won the tournament last year or previous years, or the runner teams. So the seeding on the basis of performance and Y is given on the basis of lot. Now the cyclic method for the league tournament. We were discussing about the knockout tournament fixture. Now in next video we discuss about the cyclic method for the fixture for the league tournament. There are two type of fixture: cyclic method or staircase method. So in the next video we discuss